Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, you guys are going to take a look at a beautiful 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This is the one of 6,500 ever built. I'll put it in the ad. It's like number 600 and something in the production line. This is a 1978 limited edition official Corvette pace car. Pretty car, guys. 42,000 original miles. Factory L82 car with the mirrored tops. Pretty much all original. It has had some paint work on it, but a lot of the paint's actually original, guys. Matching numbers, L82 engine, automatic trans with air. Just a super nice car. These have gotten very hot. This is a good one. Runs and drives excellent. I've actually driven it a couple of times. Good car. I think everything on it works. We've got a lot of the original paperwork, owner's manuals and stuff like that for the car. Car spent most of its life in Oklahoma. I bought it in North Carolina, and like I say, just a real good car. I've always liked this body style. I actually had a white one, but the pace cars, these are just good-looking cars, man. That very popular paint scheme. And like I say, you can see, you can nitpick some of the stuff as you walk around it. Again, 42,000 original miles. Very nice car. Again, factory L82 car. It's got the mirrored tops. We've also got the T-top bags for it. It's got the factory silver leather interior, rear defog. Again, you can see all the owner's manuals. T-top bags are in there. Trying to see, like I said, I'm not trying to pick the car apart. It's just we sell so many of these things sight unseen that I like you to know what you're getting, which this car should. Like I say, it's very original. I found some spots where they've done some paint work, but really original car. Factory aluminum wheels. It's got Cooper Cobras all the way around it. I believe all your decals are original. Again, matching numbers, L82 car. Power steering, power disc brakes, air works, automatic trans, pretty much bone stock underneath the hood here. Factory exhaust manifolds. Tops are in great shape. It's got the dual body color mirrors on it. Door tag. Power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Bucket seats, console, tilt-telescopic steering wheel. 42026 on the odometer. I know all your tach and gauges work, your clock in there works. It's AM, FM, CB. The only thing we don't have is the mic for the CB. Dual exhaust, even the factory rear end, it's got the original spare in there. Got some pictures of the underside for you as well. Seats look good. Gauges are nice and clean. Go ahead and have Jordy fire it up here. Car just runs and drives excellent, guys. AC blows cold. That's been redone, actually. Jordy actually may have to come close this. I don't know if I'm able to do this with my right arm. You can see the carburetor works, the choke works, I should say. Yep, closes nice and easy. Works. Again, all your gauges are functional. I don't know if you're going to be able to see those lights. Hey Jordy, give it a little hold on, don't put it in gear. Tap the throttle a little bit, get it off high idle. There you go. Go ahead and now put it in there. Still a little high, but see the backup lights work. It's just a nice car, man. Turn your radio on. It works. Blower motor works. Click your rear defog button, push it up. That little green button right there, yep. You guys see it kicks on. Again, all the power windows work. Fit finish is very nice on the car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely register for our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. See it out in the sun a little bit. Pretty car, good-looking car. Have a great day, guys.